How to create a crew on Rockstar Social Club. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you from where and how you can create a crew on Rockstar Social Club. While you might find it a bit tricky, actually the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First, what you want to do is on your browser, open up a browser on any of your device that you want, and then you want to search in for Rockstar Create Crew. Now you want to simply search in for Rockstar Create Crew, and you can see the very first link, the Rockstar Games Social Club official link, and under it you can see create a crew. You want to simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you should be headed into a page where you'll be able to create a crew. Now this is the starter way, so I'm showing you the starter process. This is an easier way, and then what you want to do is you want to sign in with your social club account. I'll just sign in with my account here real quick. You can see I have saved information. Now here you can see I'm on the page, I'm logged in, and you can see looking to build up your representation, don't blast through the black alleys and search here. I'll be able to create a crew. Now you can type in your crew name here. I'll just type in my crew name, and then you can select your crew color from here, any color that you want. And once you select your crew color, you can either select to invite only or such, and then you can see your crew motto. You can type in your crew motto here, and once you type in your crew motto, you can add in your rankings and such and save. And then once you create a crew, you can simply tap on save this crew and your crew will be created. So this way you can create your crew or create a crew on Rockstar Social Club. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.